Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why does your iPhone say no location found. Your iPhone says no location found either in Find My or in Messages app. So let's speak about the Find My. In Find My, it means your device or the person you're tracking isn't providing an update location. And there may be several reasons for that. So first, you need to know for what device or what person that no location found appears. Like, for example, let's say my AirPods don't have, I can't find their location. Then most probably they are just discharged or in a place that isn't around other iPhones, because there's this Find My network that even if your device doesn't have internet access and AirPods don't have an internet access, they still will connect to iPhones nearby, even if they're just strangers' iPhones, and it'll send the location so you can actually see where the iPhones have been noticed by where the AirPods have been noticed by an iPhone nearby. So your AirPods may be either discharged or just no iPhones nearby. Then another problem is when you are actually tracking a device that has internet access, like your other iPhone or your MacBook, whatever. Or if you're tracking a person, then it's going to be basically the same thing. The device that you're tracking needs to have location services on, so go to the settings, then go to location services in privacy and security, and then make sure location services are enabled. Then share my location here. Make sure that Find My iPhone is on for that person that you're trying to track or for that device that you're trying to track. Make sure that the location is set to this device if you're trying to track this device. What I mean by that is if you have multiple devices, for example, let's say you have two iPhones, then you need to select which iPhone will actually work as your account main device. So if someone else is tracking you in Find My, then they will find the device that is set to share their location in Find My. You yourself will see all your devices in Find My, but the other person will only see the main tracking device. And I'll speak about this in a moment. Make sure that Share My Location is also enabled. And then we can go to the Find My app. And if you go to Me, then there will be sharing from. And if you have multiple iPhones connected, you can click on that and change it to something else. Now you can go to the settings again. And this time make sure that if you go to the account at the top, make sure that it's signed in, because otherwise it won't work. There has to be an account signed in. Go to Find My iPhone, and make sure that all these three are enabled, then it'll work. Now also, maybe the battery died or device is powered off, just like in the case of AirPods, about which I was speaking earlier. Maybe airplane mode is enabled, then it also won't share the location. The date and time may be set incorrectly, so make sure that on the device that you're trying to track, in the settings in general, there is date and time set to automatic, otherwise it won't work. And make sure that also the person didn't stop sharing location with you. They might have stopped it by themselves. And also there is a chance that there may be a temporary Apple server issue and there's just nothing to do about it. It is very rare that Apple servers have some issue, but we never know. Maybe it will actually happen if you're currently watching it, maybe it's happening right now, and then we just have nothing to do about it. You just need to wait until the Apple services are back. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.